In this video, I will show you how to make Yahoo your browser on Google Chrome. First, guys, we need to open up our Google Chrome right here. Perfect. Now we're in here. You're going to click on the three dots in the corner up here. Click on Settings. Perfect. Now once you're in here, you're going to click on Search Engine. Just like that. From in here, you're going to select this arrow, click on this one. In here, you should see your search engines. If you don't have one in here, you can just click on edit any of these and type the name and the website that you want. I have my Yahoo right here. Click on the three dots, press make default. Now Yahoo will be your default search engine in Google Chrome. It's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching.